So basically this week we're exhibiting our gripping range and also our stationary work holding and tool holding range of products. The new developments that we're highlighting this week is the 0-point clamping system for all our vices and chucks, and also a new full range of gripping solutions for our robot arm. Basically a massive time saving in setup times on the machine tool, therefore getting more throughput to actually manufacture. We're seeing much more partnerships now with the tool holding and the gripping systems where we're automating loading and unloading of components. So yeah, it's a very versatile system that we can offer from Schunk. Ideally, if they want to give us a call, we can actually provide them a full solution from actually machining, work holding and loading and unloading the component. So it's best for us to take a look at their actual application, and you know, working with robot partners as well, we can actually offer many different solutions. Well, for our factory itself in Germany, it's a very smart factory. We have FMS systems all fully loaded with 0-point loading and unloading with robots. So, you know, the problem these days is actually labour, and we're overcoming that by now using automation.